Hello, welcome to Gardening 101. In this short video, we're talking about laurels, another great broadleaf evergreen plant. Great plant for those difficult, dry, shady spots where you can't get anything to grow. Lots of different laurels on the market today, but they all have several things in common. They all need at least part shade to shade. They can handle quite a bit of sun if it's a really good soil, but they're going to do best in the shade. Again, site selection is very important with laurels. It's very important to keep these guys out of cold winter winds. So think about what side of the house you're putting those on. They like a loose, well-drained soil, nothing wet. If you have really wet clay soils or a spot that stays kind of soggy, you're probably going to want to look at a different plant. Pretty disease and insect free. Just when you water laurels, try to keep water off the foliage. I wouldn't use sprinklers. I would water underneath at ground level so we're not getting water on that foliage. So put them in the shade, well-drained soil, keep water off the foliage, and you'll have success.